Here's Moose, looking 300 times better. By the way, his skin looks fantastic. And unfortunately, the water camera has decided to retire. So it will be a quick video, but not a quick swim. Good job. Good job. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, very nice. Come on. Oh yeah, you want to take it out and chew on it? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Want to take it? Oh, good job. Ready? Go. Go get it. Go get it. Where's the toy? Where is it? Oh, there you go. Good job.